Hi, this is Steve again, and I want to talk to you about what we chatted about before. This 8 sleep system. You see that I actually have it out in my living room right now because it does not work. This was purchased in the box, brand new, never touched. Put it on my bed, and 6 months later, it was defective. This is the 8 sleep pod, which I think is what actually has failed. What happened was this uses like a radiant heating system on your mattress pad, and so you can make it hot or cold, but it stopped heating and cooling. And so there was noise coming out of the pod, so I'm guessing it's an issue with the pod pump. It's working, but I don't know if the seals are right or not. But yeah, here is about $3,000 sitting on my living room floor. This is, I have this pad up here, the cover. This is the cover that I actually bought from 8 Sleep as well. And yeah, dropped almost $3,000 on this, and they decided not to fix it. So I've contacted 8 Sleep. I spoke with a couple of folks there via email, and they're unwilling to fix it. So if you're looking to get an 8 Sleep system, highly recommend that you don't. Their customer service is terrible. Their representation of their company is terrible. Yeah, for me, it's a do not buy. Hopefully this will help some of the rest of you make a decision in terms of a heating cooling system for your mattress. So there you go. Have any questions, you can certainly email me, contact me. All right, thanks, bye.